Today, we're in Saginaw at the Haithco Recreation area. Andy already has a start on the paddleboard. This is a 75-acre lake, and we're gonna take a couple laps around it and just really check this place out. Let's go. There's a designated spot for bringing your kayaks or paddleboards or any sort of boat. One thing is, it is a paddling lake, so no motors are allowed. Well, I've seen these trees branch out over the water, especially over here by this fishing pier that just looks so peaceful. So it's a good spot to go for a paddle, but it's also a good spot to go fishing. We are told that there are bass, pike, bluegill. There are fishing docks that are put in, so you can either get out on the water, but if you want to just fish from the fishing docks, there's one on each side of the lake. My recommendation would be, if you're going to fish from the docks, just start in the parking lot and make your lap all the way around and hit both fishing piers while you're out here. The cool thing about this spot is it's right off the road. So it doesn't matter if you're coming to or from Saginaw or Midland or Frankenmuth or Bay City or anything like that. You can be driving along the highway, get off here, and then you can be out on this lake. For me, that's super important. It got me thinking about all the different places I've paddled in this area, starting with today here at Haithco, out on the Saginaw Bay at Bay City State Park, on the Saginaw River in Bay City, on the Cass River in Frankenmuth, on the Tittabawassee River, and at the Tridge in Midland. It's been a lot of good experiences paddling around here. I have a thing that I didn't tell you about. What's that? I saw all the picnic areas. I actually brought a thermos so that we can make coffee right here. So the nice thing about this place is, yes, it's a really nice inland lake paddle, but what I really appreciate it is, well, two things. Number one, the amenities, like what we're using right now. The picnic areas, all of the concessions, the volleyball courts, the bathrooms, everything is extremely ready to go.
Well, I think a place that rents stuff is important, because you're either, if you just are here or you don't have one or whatever the reason is, to be able to get out and do something on the water if you want. And like, obviously you can come here and like go to the beach too.
Yeah.
But if you actually want to go out on the lake, it's nice to be able to have rental options.
You can chew your coffee if you need to.
Today I've had a hard-boiled egg, a protein drink, and about 60 ounces of coffee.
I'll tell you what, I provided hot coffee after an entire day of being out on the water, so whether it's perfect coffee or if it's functional coffee.
Oh, it tastes good.
Yeah. There's a food truck that travels in this area, and we want to go try that one because it just so happens that it's just down the road today. Have you ever went out for a burger and ended up at a walleye festival? Well, that's what just happened to us completely on accident. And you know what? I'm here for it. We've been tracking this food truck because we wanted to have this particular burger, but when we got here, we realized that all up and down this road, there's stuff going on for the actual walleye festival, including this beer tent over here and a whole carnival. I'm gonna get barbecue, Andy's gonna get the hamburger, because when there's this many food trucks, you can't just have one food truck. That guy at That Guy's Barbecue said that I should have the mustard barbecue to go on top of this brisket sandwich, and he was right. To that guy, thanks for that recommendation. Ever since we started trying these burgers, Wonder Burger Food Truck kept coming up as a place we needed to go. So when we were gonna be in the Saginaw area, I looked it up, found where the truck was going to be, and here I am. I'm getting the double Wonder Burger and fries. Heavy duty burger.
Yeah, when they handed me the box, I was like, yeah, that thing's big. I got the double.
This is the double, right?
Yeah, this is the double. So it's two-thirds of a pound.
Gotcha. Oh, wow. I can wholeheartedly say that this is the best walleye festival that I've ever been to.